Hi! In front of me is Lenovo TAB 4.8 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this tablet. Start by opening settings, scrolling down and choosing security. After that, tap on screen lock and pick one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Click at the chosen one, click on one of those options, I will go with no thanks, and enter your login method. Then just continue at the bottom right corner, repeat it and tap on confirm. Over here you need to choose when your device is locked how do you want notifications to be displayed. I don't want any, so I will go with don't show notifications at all and tap on done. Now when I go back, turn off my screen, then turn it back on. I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!